Guys, Manvita is gonna vlog today. She has all the professional equipments like the tripod. Should we go in lift? Arey, no, you have to turn. Are we going in lift? No.
Walk. Exercise.
Let's go. Hi, Fahim.
Bye.
Srishti. In correct bರ್ತಂತೀನಿ. Let's go. Guys, let's go for lunch. आज हम I really want to eat a good dosa. Srishti wants to eat a Subway and Manvita घर का खाना लेके आई है. Even Fahim will probably have something. Damn the dedication towards her vlogging. Please appreciate. Go and subscribe. Yes. Please go and subscribe to her channel. Just me, Manvita. If you want, I can give the link in the description box. And yes. And also, if you want another friend to start her YouTube channel, please encourage her in the comment section because she's just not starting. And Fahim is already handling too much of college work, so he's probably not gonna start content creation. But any day, if you feel like starting,
I might start. I already have a plan, but I'm not going to tell anyone. I might tell you guys.
Sure. Tell us, we'll promote it, okay?
I'm not going. I'm going to put faceless comments.
Acha, never mind. What? So we have come to Polar Bear, not Polar Bear, sorry, Subway. So मुझे तो वहाँ पे डोसा खाने जाना है. We came to this 99 variety dosa. I'm having a cheese, masala, onion dosa. This is the menu. Fahim, what are you having? Butter masala dosa. Guys, we took it parcel because वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा crowd था. It's too hot, man.
She's on. It's already closing. We are after the still go.
This is the.
Wow, nice.
Later that same evening. Days later.
कभी मैच किया रे है छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे
What a late but no, my friends are more late, so it's okay. Guys, Srishti got a new laptop, hashtag EvilEye, no nazar. And this is 360. I'm scared. Don't be scared when you oh damn. This is the latest Samsung car and it's like a TV. You don't have to get a TV, get this. It's a tab slash laptop slash TV all in one. Invest in just one. Wow, this is amazing. And this is Brownie. Say hi. And if you like my vlog, please give some brownie likes, brownie points. With the cameraman Srishti, thank you for watching. Let's go. Bye. Acha hoga na? Guys, right now I am at Srishti's house because apparently हम कहीं तो जाने वाले हैं. उसके लिए दो दोस्त कहीं से आएंगे, मैं कहीं से आया हूँ. ये हमारा मीटअप पॉइंट है. Then one of our friend will come from a different place and we all are going for a dinner today. And this is gonna be a fun. And this is for the first time that we are going for a dinner because it's been 1.5 years. We have gone for evening snack, lunch, breakfast तो रोज ही होता है. But we have never gone for a late night dinner. This is gonna be our first time, that too with a full group, and this is gonna be fun. So stay tuned till the end. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Akash, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new vlog, you get notified and you don't miss out any content. Did you see that episode? Hashtag not sponsored.
Honestly, not all.
But sponsored by Fahim. Bro, मेरा bladder फटने वाला है literally. Guys, we came for dinner and we are also doing our assignment right now. Assignment as in हमारा एक CIE है, तो वो भी करते हैं. Imagine dinner slash assignment. It's gonna be fun.
Full-fledged.
Someone blink it a notebook, man.
Manvita, bring a notebook.
Guys, we came for dinner and simultaneously we are doing our assignment right now. तो साथ में बैठ के खाना खाएंगे और assignment करेंगे.
The one about that. Indian origin comes from resident.
Being resident, no? All three are taxable.
We expected this coming.
UK should not.
Manvita in house. Hi Manvita. Not go, at least we got the boat. By the way, done with the dinner. Now we are just going for some walk and then I'll probably go home. Let's go. This was the place really well known for non-veg, but veg bhi acha tha. Now we are going for an ice cream. Though my throat is not bad, but only if I have it, it will become better.
This here you will go. You'll get more. You'll get Nandana Palace and all here. This side.
You have Leon's and all. By the way, right now we are exploring Yelahanka for the first time. Let's go, guys. Party hall bhi hai. Guys, this is the Sheshadipuram Yelahanka branch college. And right now we are kind of looking for some YOLO bikes because that's the typical Bangalorean night out, friends, what we do. अब क्योंकि हम रात को बाहर हैं तो at least enjoy कर लेते हैं. By the way, it's not very late. It's just 9 o'clock right now. So we'll probably roam around for another 30 minutes and then we'll go back home. Guys, this street is like so good. Oh my god. The cleanliness.
It's filled with mist and fog.
Whoa, yeah. To all the people who think that Bangalore is not clean, kindly come to Yelahanka once. It's so amazing. Look at how modern it is. I love the blue light. What happened, Ma? Srishti is enjoying having her time of her life. Right now we are at Haldiram's because apparently.
Haldiram's no.
Sorry. Right now we are at Agarwal Bhavan because I want to have some jalebi, garam jalebi, मजे आ जाएंगे. And बाहर थोड़ा बहुत photo shoot भी कराया. What is this apple?
It's some kaju sweet.
You wanna have lassi? No. Manvita doing all the back end photo work. Thank you so much. Do subscribe her. Getting new subscribers. भैया हाय बोल दो. भैया आप भी हाय बोल दो. सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए बोल दो. हाय बोल दो भैया. Boys doing the photo shoot. Wow, Surya, love that pose, man. All boys, guys. All. Sorry, one Srishti is also there. अब हम भैया की रेसिपी चुराएंगे. चुराना तो क्या है, हम थोड़ा
इसे
उनको
बनाना भी
शाउट आउट देंगे हम थोड़ा सा. Guys, right now we are in McDonald's. यारो. Right now we are in McDonald's. हमने अग्रवाल भवन की भी had जलेबी. It was 10 on 10. गर्मा गर्म. Now we are here to have some ice cream. And उसके बाद we'll go home. Guys, kind of done for the night. अभी बस घर जाना बाकी है. Waiting for Manvita's dad to come. She will go, then मैं और सृष्टि उतर जाएंगे. फिर बाकी के मेरे दोस्त चले जाएंगे. This was a small night. I just wanted to record it for memories. I hope you have liked it. And thank you so much for watching.
Day 3.